Horses in. Horses out, we have Moraita past the begin, moving up Pleasure Giver, and on the outside on a Rosie, Senor in between horses, Pira, then comes Alleluia, and Manila's Gem is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have a C, Senor, the leader, by a length and a half, Moraita in second, 2 lengths away in third on a Rose, Pleasure Giver is racing in fourth, then followed by Epira, Alleluia, and Manila's Gem trails the field by about 10 to 11 lengths up the pace. Z Senior goes on by about 7 lengths. On a Rose now moving up to take second, and in third is Moraita, Pleasure Giver, Epira, Alleluia, and Manila's Gem. Z Senior still in front by about 6 lengths. On a Rose still in second, and in third Moraita, long way back to Pleasure Giver and Epira as they come down to the last 150 with C Senior by about 6 lengths over on a Rose in second, Moraita in third. C Senior still in front by about 7 lengths. On a Rose in second, Pleasure Giver in third. Last 50 meters, Jackie Manolito, Pajardo, Dakis on C Senior. Second is on a Rose, Pleasure Giver, Moraita, Epira, Alleluia, Manila's Gem.
3-4-2-1.
Sabi siya, magkakasundo si Butcher tsaka si Senyor.
Medyo